The initial phase of any type of injury, whether it's an automobile accident or you're injured by a product or a negligent doctor, whatever injury you may have suffered, the most important thing that you have to do is you have to heal yourself. You have to get the proper treatment. You have to make sure that you follow up with your doctors. You have to make sure you follow the advice of your doctors. So during that process, if you've hired a lawyer, the lawyer is already in tune with what you're going through. The lawyer is in touch with your doctors. The lawyer is collecting the records that the lawyer will need to present to the insurance company on your behalf from the doctors. So this is a gradual thing. And the idea is to get you to a point where you have reached what they call maximum medical improvement. That is, you've become medically as good as you're going to get, and no more treatment is going to help you.
Right.
Or to get you to the point where they say, okay, you're as good as you're going to get without surgical intervention, and you're going to need surgery. So now you're looking at long term. So during this process, the lawyers are collecting medical records, they're speaking with your doctors, they're building your case for you. They're talking to the police officers involved, or they're talking to the corporate people who are involved, or they're hiring vocational experts, or traffic reconstructionists to help you. The lawyer is building your case from day one. Now, once you reach this point, what they call maximum medical improvement, all of your medical bills would be placed into basically a file and added up and put in some sort of chronological order, summarized, and then forwarded to the responsible party. This is where the negotiation begins. And this is what's basically called the pre-litigation process. Pre-litigation implies that every case goes to litigation. It doesn't. Only about half of the cases that this firm sees go to litigation. The other half actually get resolved before litigation starts, before I ever see the case. So we do that in our Bedford office. We have a whole department set up just for that purpose.